Hey everyone, quick hands-on impression of the Huawei MatePad Pro Max. So first thing, this tablet is insane in person. It's just 4.7mm thin, super light, and honestly feels like you're holding a sheet of glass more than a device. The 13.2-inch OLED paper matte display is the star here. Really sharp, super smooth, and that anti-glare texture actually makes writing and sketching feel like paper. Performance-wise, it's running Huawei's Kirin T93 Pro chip, and it handles multitasking, drawing apps, and split-screen work without breaking a sweat. Battery life is also solid. 10,400 mAh easily gets you through the day, and 66W charging is fast enough that you're not stuck waiting around. But here's the big catch: no Google services. And yeah, that's a deal-breaker for a lot of people. Workarounds exist, but they're not perfect. So verdict? Amazing hardware, but only worth it if you can live inside Huawei's ecosystem.